Hey YouTube, my mom wanted to order a microscope, and she's one of those people that can't decide on anything, so I told her I'd order one for her, and if it works, send it on up to her. So this is some kind of generic one that I purchased off eBay. I believe it was just around $100. Doesn't seem to have any brand names on it.
Take it real soon. You know we got what you need, baby. So take it, move along. I said we got what you need, honey. Come and groove along. Come on.
Hey, look at this. Okay. I found something outside. These little things stick to my house. Some kind of little cocoon or something. I don't know. How do we adjust this? Let's see. Try this first. Whoa! Oh, wicked. Here, let me see if I can go like this. Oh, it says battery low and it shut off. Hold on. All right, so I let the camera charge for a few minutes and turn it back on here. Very cool. Again, this is some type of little, I don't know, thing that I found outside. Battery low. I just plugged it in. Guess not long enough. It works. It looks like there's another plug around the back to charge these lights, and I don't know if I'm going to have the time to go through the menu before the battery dies there, but I guess I can record and take videos and photos. That's it.